now I'm at gold spot, 5 minutes start, and now I'm gonna try this grading indicator called Gains Algo V2 Alpha. Here you go. So I'm gonna add this to my chart, and let's see how Gains Algo V2 Alpha works. So let's wait for the signals. Let's wait. Okay guys, as you can see, Gains Algo V2 Alpha gave us sell signal. So let's put a position there. Okay, so let's see what will happen next. Let's see. Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! Wait. More. What the fuck?